That all came out of the dryer.
We're doing a dryer vent cleaning.
It almost looks like all your buildup is right here. You want to make sure the dryer vent is nice and tight and secure. Make sure it doesn't have any weight pulling down on it. And at any point, do not put screws in a dryer vent. Those screws like to catch onto that lint. We're all done. Everything's clean.
No more little red warning light on the dryer that says you may want to check your vent. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Thank you, Brendan.
You're welcome. Thank you.